What is up, you guys? Today we are restoring this 24-inch 2014 Sapient Titan. Sapient? Never heard of it. The tires are cracked, so we got some new Schwalbe Blackjacks. Schwalbe, some of you guys can't even say that. Schwalbe. About 30 bucks a piece. The brakes are no good. The brakes couldn't stop jack. Those brakes couldn't even stop the economy from failing. So I went ahead and got these ghost pads from Odyssey.com. Those tires are gonna need some brand new tubes. So Odyssey also sells some nice tubes. And they went ahead and gave me the little clips to make that tire installation super easy. Now, that original seat made my butt bone hurt for about 2 days. So I went to Walmart and I bought a $20 seat. That's right, I got Walmart parts in my bike. After that, we're gonna grease up the chain, clean it up real nice, and then we're gonna detail the whole frame with a pressure washer. After all that's been done, we're gonna lubricate that chain with Park Tool CL1 lubricant. Go support these guys. Park Tool is the best when it comes to bicycle repair. So go support them by buying from them. Support this video by giving it a thumbs up. It takes a 19 millimeter deep socket to get those tires off. If you don't have that, you could always use a crescent wrench. Now while I swap out the tires, I'm gonna let the WD-40 bike degreaser do its thing. Look how ridiculously easy it is to swap out the tire using this tool. You don't have to use this, because this is just gonna scratch up your rim. First, swap this bad boy in there. And clip them onto the rim. Grab your second one, and on the next spoke, do the same thing. Now you might need a third one, but I think with the second one in place, I could just run it. You guys watching this? And there it is. I'm letting some of you guys down with this rim. That's something a little boy would maintain. But here, we men. Spray it down and degrease it. Now here's one that's already done. Some of you are real anal about where your tires, the letters are at. Some of you like them right here, right next to this light. But it's just letters, man, come on. One thing about Schwalbe tires is that they need to be installed a certain way. The rotation goes to the right. So since the hub is on this side, we know it's going to be rotating to the right. But for you, it could be 50-50 if you don't know about it. And if you don't know how to install your tubes and your tire, man, go find another. Anyway, back to the restoration. We're going to give it one more pass of the bike degreaser. I originally bought this bike from Craigslist. Yeah, I used to buy from Craigslist. Got some good stuff from there. I did a pass with some super clean. And we're gonna finish by giving the bike a nice pass with some car soap. We'll give it that nice shiny luster. Now off camera, I did a few more super clean layers. The sprocket is so clean, I can eat off of it. I soaked the bolts in super clean and they're good to go. This job, the Park Tool guys will be proud of. Now let's change the brakes and let's get the tires back on there. Your old brakes loosen up with the 10mm socket. You don't need any of the old bolts. The new Ghost pads show you which way goes down. And with the 5mm Allen wrench, you just tighten them and adjust them when you put the wheel back on. It's that easy. Actually, the arrow points to which way the tire rotates. I also kept one of the washers. Oh yeah, that's worth the 10 bucks. Next, we lubricate the chain. Just keep doing that until you're satisfied with the lube job. And there you have it. Wow, what a difference. I did coat the tires in 303 protectant. Gotta get that UV protection on there, you know what I mean? I mean, the bike isn't that bad. It's not your typical Walmart bike. It has a 3-piece crankshaft, chromoly frame. Well, maybe not chromoly frame, but this is at least a $400 bike. And I paid less than $100 to restore it. Man, it's a great deal. And I had a blast working on this project. Kept my mind off of the current chaos going on in our nation. I'm gonna do something different this time. I'm gonna give away a $10 Amazon gift card. Yeah, it's a small denomination, but since it's my first giveaway, gotta start small. So to win this gift card, all you gotta do is just leave a comment, any comment. And on Independence Day, July 4th, 2020, I'm gonna choose a random person and send them that card. Easy as that. So as for me, I'm gonna go hit one of the trails. So see you guys next time.